Hello friends. Today, I will show you how to recover deleted files in Windows. You can recover permanently deleted files using this. But, you can't recover all the files you deleted. For recovering files, you need a software called EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. Download and install the software. Crack the software, if you have to. Open the software and select the partition where you want to recover files from. And scan. There will be two stages for the scan. A quick scan and a deep scan. You should also wait for the deep scan to complete the scan fully and see which files are recoverable. The scanning will take some hours to complete. The scan results may not have all the files you deleted, but it will have so many files. And sometimes, the name of the file in the result will be different than the original file. So, you might have to recover it and check if it is the file.
Redemption, I have waited for you to come and drown all my sin. My needs are drenched in the blood.
Finally, after you have selected the files to recover, click on Recover and select the folder for the recovered files to save.
Everything I had went up in flames.
If you want, I will also upload a video of cracking EaseUS software. So, subscribe and make your comments. Thanks for watching.